In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a mirror switch on a Chevy Silverado 2500. This is going to be located on the driver's door. Let's get started. Using a trim tool, we're going to get under our window switch. We're going to pop this up and out. We're going to have a few connectors on the back. We're going to push on the button, pull straight back, remove the connector. Repeat this process another 2 times. On this last connector in the front, you may need a pick to push down this tab in the front. And remove the connector. Using a pick tool, we're going to remove the mirror switch. We have to release these tabs and pull up on our switch. Do the same thing on the other side. And remove the mirror switch. Install the mirror switch into place. Push down, make sure all 4 tabs lock in. Install all the connectors. Push until you hear a click. Give them a pull, make sure they're locked on. Line the window switch up. Get the clips installed, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.